Hello everybody, welcome back to our Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix headphones not detected on your Redmi 13x. So first, what you guys want to do is check if the headphones are working. So make sure to connect them to another device, and if you want, then try and inspect the port, which is right here, for any damage or dust inside, because the dust may be blocking the connection. So now after you checked it all, you guys can restart your phone. So grab it like that. Now press the power button and the volume up button and swipe down to reboot the device. So I'll see you guys once my phone is ready to use. Now after the restart, what you guys can do is try another pair of headphones. So test them and rule out any issues with your original ones. So make sure that this is not your phone's fault, because it may be an expensive repair. So after that, what you guys can do is check for software updates. So unlock the phone after the restart. Now here, swipe up and enter your password if you have one. Here we need to go over to the settings, and we need to give it some time to load because, as I said, this phone is freshly after the restart. Now let's click on About Phone, and then we need to click on HyperOS. It will take us to a software update. As you guys can see, I've got no updates available because I'm on the latest version. Now, if you're not on the latest version, then I recommend you guys updating it. It's very important. And after updating it, what you guys can do is clean the headphone jack, and you can use a toothpick, small brush, to carefully remove any dust or debris from the jack. Now, after that, what you guys can do is visit a service center for a checkup if the headphone jack might be faulty. And if you're using an adapter for USB-C, then you can clean the charging port, because the actual charger is not like the adapter. So basically it can block a lot of connection. I'm not talking about charging, but I'm talking about the USB-C adapters. So now after that, you can restart the phone like we did before in the video, and then you guys can test another pair of headphones while being connected to the adapter. You guys can also, for the Bluetooth headphones, turn Bluetooth off and on. So go over to settings and here select Bluetooth. Now as you guys can see, my Bluetooth is turned off, so I'll simply just turn it on. And then when you have your headphones paired, then I would forget them and repair them again to see if that fixes the issue. If not, then you guys can charge your headphones fully to make sure that they are not discharged, and you can avoid Wi-Fi or device interference. So for example, another device may be connected to that pair already, so make sure that's not the case. So that's basically it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.